Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Trust Wallet not showing balance error. If your crypto tokens or wallet balance are missing or showing zero, don't panic. Here are some simple fixes that actually work. For that, first of all, you want to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes Trust Wallet fails to update balances or when your network is weak or unstable. After that, you want to go ahead and simply refresh the app. Open it up. After that, swipe down from the top of your wallet screen and then refresh it manually. This often triggers a balance update if the app was struck. And also, you have to go ahead and simply enable the missing tokens. If the token aren't showing, they just might be hidden. Tap on the filter icon and then search for your token and then toggle on the switch to make it visible in your wallet. After that, you can simply add custom tokens. If your tokens does not show, you may need to add it manually. Go ahead and tap on filter icon, scroll down, tap on add custom token, and then simply change the network to match the token. Once done, enter name, symbol, and decimal manually. After that, tap done to save it. You can find contract address on sites like CoinMarketCap or the official token page. And after that, lastly, make sure your Trust Wallet app is updated. Head back, open up your App Store, and the search bar, simply search for Trust Wallet. Once you search for it, tap onto it, and if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And that is simply how you can fix the Trust Wallet balance not showing in your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.